Hello everybody, you are on Andriy channel. If you already click on this video, I need to tell you why do I hate Chromebooks. And actually, I don't hate Chromebooks, but for some reason I don't like to use them. Today I'm going to tell you about the common reason why I don't like to use Chromebooks. So actually I had several Chromebooks with Google Play Store, without Google Play Store, older models, newer models, and today I'm going to share my thoughts about these devices. First of all, you can upgrade your Chromebook. So if you buy Chromebook with low specification, in the future your Chromebook will also have low specification. RAM, storage, CPU. That's because all of these components are soldered into the motherboard, and that's totally awful because even if you have an old laptop, for example, you can upgrade HDD to SSD, you can change old CPU to newer CPU or perhaps to more powerful CPU, for example from Intel Core i3 to Intel Core i7. But if we're talking about Chromebook, just forget about it. So let's talk about Chrome OS. Actually, this is operating system on which run every Chromebook. And that's mean you have only one operating system. Also, you can activate Linux, but that's mean you can activate not full version of Linux, it's Linux container inside Chrome OS. That's the Debian Linux distribution. The problem is, even if you activate Linux on Chrome OS, that doesn't mean that everything will work correctly and you can install all Linux apps. You can install only some apps that you can find for Debian Linux distribution. I want to remind you one more time that you can use only one operating system on your Chromebook. On the Chromebook, you may not find a lot of important programs and applications that you're supposed to use on Windows. And definitely this is disadvantages because Chrome OS, it's not so popular as Windows. So probably it will be much better if developers of Chrome OS make more useful program that we supposed to use on Windows. Also, one of the common reasons why I don't like to use Chromebook because it has bad compatibility with microphones. For example, this microphone, Razer Syrian Mini, I tried to connect to my Chromebook, but the thing is, it has bad optimization because after I connect my microphone to the Chromebook, it sounds like cheap mic from AliExpress. I'm sorry, but this is true. So the thing is, it has bad compatibility with some devices. Chromebooks have bad optimization if we're talking about games which you want to play on keyboard and gamepad. Yes, previously I said that you can play game from the Play Store on gamepad, and that's fine, that's good, but there is only couple of games that you can play on gamepad because most games that are available in Google Play Store optimized for smartphone, not for Chromebook, and that's why you install game from the Play Store and you cannot use keyboard, you cannot use gamepad. Probably you can use mouse, but it looks hilarious when you're trying to play game just using mouse. So the problem is many games are not optimized for Chromebook. You can install them, you can run them, but you cannot play them. One more thing that I don't like about Chromebooks. Older version of Chromebooks doesn't have Google Play Store, and plus they don't have Linux. So the thing is, older Chromebooks have older CPU that was making by using older technology, 22 nanometers. And in most cases, those Chromebook doesn't have Google Play Store. There is a lot of Chromebooks with this problem. A lot of users have Chromebooks and they can't install Google Play Store. They try to find out how to install it, how to use some special command. But the thing is, you can't install it because Google don't give you opportunity to do this. So actually, one of the biggest benefit of Chromebooks is Google Play Store, but it's not available in all models. That's just crazy. So for example, you bought an old Chromebook from eBay and then you realize that it doesn't have Google Play Store. You're trying to find Google Play Store, watch some special tutorials, etc, etc, etc. but you cannot install it. And that's the biggest disadvantages of the Chromebook. Older Chromebooks is hard to sell because they are old, they don't have Play Store, and they don't get updates. So probably many of you may think that I'm talking only about disadvantages of older Chromebooks. But no, even if we're talking about new Chromebooks, about 2023, I can't find a Chromebook that have more than 8 GB of RAM. Sorry, if someone find the model that have at least 16 GB of RAM, please write me in the comment. I want to see the Chromebook that have 16 GB of RAM. I forget to tell you one important thing. Probably all Chromebooks have very cheap materials. Hinges, matrix, keyboard. So that's mean if you like to use some premium products, Chromebook it's not for you. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please like it. And if you have an old Chromebook and you don't know what to do with this thing, I recommend to watch video right here.